Hi guys, hope you all are doing fine. So today I will show you how to get the top 250 rated movies from IMDb using Python. As you know, IMDb is the online movie database and we can give ratings to any movie out there. So let's get the top 250 highest rated movies given by the users and the critics. So what you could do is you could open any ID or a code editor where we would uh, write Python code. So I will be using PyCharm for this video. So you could have any code editor. So let's get started. So first thing you need to do is you have to go to the terminal and you need to install the IMDb package from the pip. So let's get started. Type pip install imdbpy. So this is the package manager that would be installing on our system in our project. So yes, it's successfully installed. So after it's successfully installed, we could use their APIs to get the top movies or directors or any kind of movies related stuff. So let's get started. So first we will import the IMDb package or IMDb library. Yeah, so you need to import IMDb from IMDb library. Okay, so let's now create an instance of the IMDb. So we will get the top 250 movies and store it in a variable. So using the IMDb object, get top 250 movies. You could also have some other API functions that we could use. Get movie, get proxy, IMDb ID, get person, get directors also. So we would use this only right now. So what we would do is we would loop in range 250 and then just print the top 250 movies. So what we would be doing is let's get rid of this. So fix the indentation, and we have imported the IMDb package and then created an instance of IMDb object where we would have all the functions or APIs that in it. So we have got top 250 movies and store it in this variable. So now we are ranging from 0 to 250 or either and then printing all the movies out there. So just let's do this. Now just let the command and you could see all the top 250 movies out there. The last one is the 250th movie. So Swades is number 250. So here you could see the Shawshank Redemption, The Godfather, Godfather Part 2. These are top 3 movies. The Dark Knight, 12 Angry Men, Schindler List. And you could compare this list with the IMDb list as well. So what you could do is just we could go to Google and type IMDb top 250 movies. Here also it's shown, but we would verify it from here. So you could see Shawshank Redemption, Godfather, Godfather Part 2, and same it's over here. And then Dark Knight, Angry Man, Schindler's List, Dark Knight, Angry Man, Schindler's List. So you could compare all this list with the list we have got. So we would go to the top 250. 250 is Swades and 249 is Aladdin. Here also we got 250 as Swades and 249 as Aladdin. Print the We could also print the top 10 or top 20 movies. Suppose top 10 movies only we need to see. Let's print that and run the program. So these are the top 10 movies. So it's much clearer now. Shawshank Redemption, Godfather, Godfather Part 2, and all this. So you could do more with this object to get the director's name or which year this movie came out. So I will provide you the link where you could read the documentation and try everything on your own.